Hello students, let us discuss one previous question that is from the GATE 2014 paper. So it is based on the stereochemistry. This reaction involves the ozonolysis and Grignard reagent reaction. So the number of possible stereoisomers obtained in the following reaction is. So here in this case, first on ozonolysis. Actually here this double bond in phenanthrene. Okay, actually this is a substituted phenanthrene. In phenanthrene, this double bond has a properties like alkenes. Okay, so of course it is present in a ring, but this one exhibit the alkene properties. And here this compound also can be a decolorized bromine solution. Okay, by addition of the bromine to the alkene. So here in this case, this ozonolysis reaction. So here hydrogen, cut the double bond, paste the oxygen. You know that ozonolysis process. So here methyl, in this case double bond O H and C double bond O H. Now here this one I'm treating with excess of the phenyl magnesium bromide and followed by hydrolysis. So here pH minus attacks on this carbonyl carbon and as well as this carbonyl carbon. So here we'll get the finally product is COH hydrogen, and this is also phenyl, means benzene ring. So next in this case C phenyl hydrogen, and this is the OH. So it is a very bulky group. So because of the repulsions here, that is exist in a non-planar shape, that is nothing but you know that atrope isomerism. That means here CH3, here in this case C, here PH, H and OH. Here in this case that one CH, here PH and OH. Even though here hydrogen smaller atom, but here in this case is very bulky group. So because of the bulky groups here that exist like this here. So actually here simple biphenyl is planar. Simple biphenyl is a planar compound. So all that means two rings are present in the same plane. Okay, but in this case here, whenever those ortho groups are substituted by the bulky groups, that biphenyl is converted to like this non-planar shape. So in this non-planar shape, that can exhibit optical isomerism. So for every biphenyl compound which is suitably substituted, that can exist in two forms, that is a dextro and levo. So here this compound exhibit the optical isomerism. The optical isomerism which is observed in biphenyls, it is due to restricted rotation. So here there is no actually free rotation of between these two rings, because here the groups are repelling each other. So to overcome the repulsions, these are existing in non-planar shape. So that's why here this one exhibit the isomerism. The isomerism which one is observed in biphenyls due to restricted rotation is called as a atrope isomerism. Atrope means here restricted rotation. So now here about the generally here, if the biphenyl is suitably substituted, that means here this is the biphenyl compound. Here like SO3H, here like Br, here like SO3H, here Br. This is a non-planar compound actually. So for this one, two isomers are exist. So totally this system consider as a one stereogenic system. Okay, so two isomers are exist. Now here totally this system has is one stereogenic system, and it is a chiral carbon and it is also chiral carbon. That means here this is one stereogenic center, and totally we can see here three stereogenic centers. Totally system is a stereogenic center, and here this is a chiral carbon, this is a chiral carbon. So 2 power of 3, it means totally 8 isomers are exist for this substituted biphenyl compound. So answer is 8. Okay, so thank you for watching.